Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're making some Jamaican carrot Guinness punch. You don't know, I think, already. So these are all the ingredients. So we're gonna wash our carrots. So take them out the bag. You know, chop them up if needs be, if you're using the big ones, but I'm using the small organic ones. I'm gonna take them out the bag and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash my carrot. We are very clean people. We need to wash your carrot. You don't know, I think, already. So let's wash our carrot and we're going to drain off the water. Now I'm going to add the water for it to be boiled. And I'm also going to add a piece of cinnamon stick to boil it with. This is optional. You can use cinnamon powder at the end, which I'm going to also do. So let the carrot boil until tender. So don't forget to check it. Don't make the water dry out or anything of that sort. So look at me checking it with my fork. Make sure so the fork can run through it. That's how you know it's tender. Turn it off and let it stay there and cool. After it cool down, you're going to go ahead and grab your blender and blend the carrot in the blender. So after it whip up, you can do as I'm doing, which is I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a bigger container so I can be able to blend the remaining carrot, or you can just blend everything in one thing. So I'm adding some cinnamon powder to this because I love cinnamon. I'm adding my Jamaican choice condensed milk. Look at that, that's so nice. Oh gosh. And I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add, see there, Jamaican choice condensed milk. Yeah, don't know anything already. Afterwards, now I'm gonna add up my suppogen so it can be more liquid, liquidy. This is, for me, this is a way to make sure everything incorporates and, work well for the flavor to pop. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that now. So I'm blending all of those spices with the remaining carrot that was in the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add the remaining of my suppogen, and I'm also gonna add my Guinness. So this is me adding the Guinness. I added the suppogen a little bit earlier. The remaining, I'm adding my Guinness and I'm gonna mix it very well. So some persons want to add sugar. For me, because of the condensed milk, it was very sweet, and then the suppogen make it very sweet. I didn't add any more sugar to it, but to each his own. So these are all the ingredients again, and look how delicious this look. Do not drink it right away, let it chill first and then you drink it. Follow us on IG and shop out our different platforms. Thank you.